One of our viewers, or Chitpine, requested us to make build videos. We take what our viewers say very seriously. Here they are. The first one is a rig under 50,000. Guys, the tentative cost of this build is going to come below 50,000. We won't exactly quote prices because it varies from seller to seller and the prices change, 500 rupees here and there every day. But I assure you it's going to be within 50,000. Do check your nearest seller or IT Arena for that matter, our sponsors, and let us know what the price is down in the comments when you make PCs out of this video. Let's start. Firstly, the CPU. I recommend an Intel i5 4440. Because an i5 is what you need for gaming and anything more than this is purely luxury. The motherboard can be an MSI ATX DDR3 2400 H97 PC Mate or an LGA 1150. Why do I choose this motherboard? Is because this motherboard is a cheap but a very solid motherboard at this price range. The RAM can be a Kingston Fury memory kit of 8GB, 1866 MHz. You can pick these off at very cheap prices because there are sales going on these RAMs, at least while making this video, and also there are round the year sales on these RAM kits, the dual channel one. Next, the SSD. Now wait guys, some of you might say SSD is a luxury. I say not. I beg to differ with you because installing your operating system on the SSD makes the overall computer a lot faster than any computer which has the operating system and the basic apps on a mechanical hard drive. So an SSD is a must. Do not skip on this, guys. Do not. An SSD that I suggest at this price is a Kingston V300 SSD. Now 120 gigabytes of solid state 3 2.5 inch hard SSD. Sorry, an SSD. I repeat, guys, do not skip on this. Next, there's a hard drive. Obviously, you need something a lot larger to keep your games, your applications, your documents, your movies. So I suggest a WD Blue 1TB. If you want anything more than this, you need to splurge a little bit extra cash, but do not go for the WD Green for your main gaming drive because the WD Green runs at 5400 RPM. It has a variable RPM scenario. The WD Blue, on the other hand, fixes you at 7200 RPM. WD Blue is the one to go for, guys. Next, coming to the power supply unit. Again, the heart of your system. The basic concept in India is, you can go for an awesome system, but why do you need a power supply? Let's skip on that, let's spend a little bit less on that. Never do that. Everything else is connected to the power supply. It gives your computer its power. So always go for a very good power supply. For this rig, I suggest a Corsair VS Series VS 550 watt SMPS. The reason I have chosen the 550 watt, well, this is the best part, guys, aren't you all waiting for this? Is because this is an Intel NVIDIA build. So the suggested graphic card is a GTX 960. This gaming system is perfect for running all games smoothly at full HD resolution, 1080p. Anything more than that, if you want to go 1440p, this is not a suggested build. But I'd recommend full HD monitor for this because by the latest and greatest company out there, gaming company Steam, it says 98% of gamers, actually 95% plus, 95 to 98% gamers still use 1080p at 60 Hz. So I guess this is the rig all of you who want to make a PC at 50 grand will be waiting for. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go out there, make this rig and let us know how this computer runs. And guys, before you go, if you like this video, please like the video. If you dislike it, dislike it, but do tell us why did you dislike it, right? And most importantly, subscribe to our channel and keep pouring in these comments. Ask us what to do, and I assure you we are going to do that.